Stop scrolling. What you're about to hear sounds completely made up, but every single word is true. Watch till the end. Around the year 1600, a young Spanish woman named Catalina de Eraso escaped from a convent, cut off her hair, put on men's clothing, and disappeared. She didn't just hide, she became a soldier. For 20 years, she fought in South America under a fake identity, survived brutal battles, and won dozens of duels as a commissioned officer. Nobody knew. Nobody suspected a thing. Then she was badly wounded in a fight and thought she was going to die, so she confessed everything to a bishop. And that's where the story gets insane. Her secret exploded across all of Europe. She became the most talked about person on the continent. And then Pope Urban VIII, the actual leader of the Catholic Church, personally gave her permission to keep dressing as a man for the rest of her life. She went back to the Americas, not as a fugitive this time, as a celebrity. This woman rewrote the rules of an entire era.